Michael, did you hear that? Yeah! It's coming from under the table. Should we check it out, Jerome? Yeah. Wow, look at those!
Hoody dumpty doody do, bod bod, boddy boddy bod bod.
Oh, what's there to worry about?
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. It's been quite a while since we had some brand new content for you all, and so today we are going to be unboxing some cool new toys we found at our local supermarket. Can you believe it? We went out on Saturday following all rules and regulations of keeping safe outside, face masks, constantly sanitizing hands and all of that. And we found these toys at our local supermarket. And we just had to grab them so we could show you all these new toys. We've been seeing some of them on YouTube as well as on television. So we are so excited to be trying these toys out today. We would like to say a big shout out to all our subscribers, all our friends, all our supporters, everyone who has left comments, everyone who has encouraged us to keep going. We are extremely grateful and thankful to all of you, and we'd like to say that we love you very much and thank you for constantly supporting us. You are the best, guys. Aren't they the best, guys? Yes, they are the best. So we are going to unbox. The boys are going to be unboxing. Jerome, what have you got? Spider-Man. Can you show us Spider-Man? Oh, it says Fujitsu. The same people that make the Heroes of Fujitsu toys. Blazer Guard, Crash, Tiger, and all of those good stuff. So, what have you got, Michael? Spider-Gwen. Okay, so we're going to unbox. Put the boxes down. We're going to do a little game now. So, we're going to count down. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm free, Mr. Stark. Mr. Stark, can you hear me, Mr. Stark? Whoa, let's see it. Wow. Hey, wow. Whoa, let's see how your stretches, Jerome. How far can you stretch it? How far? Whoa! That's cool. Let's see yours, Michael. Open the next lot. So what are you opening, Michael?
Iron.
And what are you opening, Jerome?
Black Panther.
Black Panther. All right, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. like them. I like those things. The only issue, and I'm going to be completely honest with you, friends, is that these toys tends to chip. We find the paint tends to chip off after a few, after a few gameplays, I would say. It tends to chip off, which is kind of sad considering how much you pay to get these toys. So I don't know what they're going to do about that. Hopefully this lasts longer than our previous Fujitsu toys. And yeah, they're fun toys to play with. And you can see Jerome is making Black Panther stand on his head. I think the bended flex toys, you can make different shapes. You can take different forms. And yeah, you can have hours and hours of fun. You can fight dinosaurs and you can do all this good stuff. So yeah, between the two toys, I would say that my favorite would be the Bended Flex. This is not because we don't like the Fujitsu toys. The Fujitsu toys are lovely, but in terms of durability and obviously diversity of what you can do with the toys, we prefer the Bended Flex. Which do you prefer, boys? Oh, you love both of them. Oh, the boys are so good. They love both the toys. So I guess it's a thumbs up for both the toys. And we hope that you have enjoyed our unboxing. And we'll see you next time. Bye.